Imagine this: you wake up tomorrow morning and everything you've been yearning for with that one specific person in your life has magically fallen into place. You're happy, they're happy, and your relationship feels as if it was destined all along. What if I told you that this isn't just a fantasy, but something you can manifest using the profound teachings of Neville Goddard? Stick with me and I'll show you exactly how to do it. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step guide to manifesting your specific person, grounded in the concept that everyone is you pushed out. Trust me, you'll want to stay till the end, because I'll be sharing a bonus tip that ties everything together in a way you've never heard before. Before that, I have a surprise for you. Are you ready to bring more positivity, confidence, and peace into your life? My new ebook, Powerful and Positive Affirmations to Change Your Life in 30 Days, is designed to guide you on an incredible journey of self-transformation. And for just $4.99, you can start making real, lasting changes in your life today. So why wait? Begin your journey today. Download Powerful and Positive Affirmations to Change Your Life in 30 Days for just $4.99. And start embracing a more positive, empowered you. For less than the cost of a coffee, you can take the first step toward real, lasting change in your life. Make the choice to invest in yourself. Get your copy today. So back to the topic. Imagine waking up each day feeling motivated, confident, and filled with purpose. This ebook is here to help you make that vision a reality. Let's begin with the core idea. Everyone is you pushed out. What does that mean? It means that the world around you is a reflection of your inner state. Neville said, "Your world is your consciousness objectified." The thoughts you hold, the assumptions you carry, and the beliefs you repeat, these are what create your reality. The people in your life respond to the energy and expectations you project. And yes, this includes your specific person. Here's where it gets exciting. If you've ever felt stuck, wondering why your specific person isn't acting the way you'd like, the key lies within you, not them. It's not about changing their behavior directly. It's about shifting your own inner world so that they naturally align with the version of them you desire. Powerful, right? Picture this. Imagine you're in a theater. The people in your life, including your specific person, are all actors on stage. But here's the twist. You're not just the audience, you're also the director and the scriptwriter. The lines they deliver are based on the script you've written in your subconscious mind. If you want the play to change, you don't shout at the actors, you rewrite the script. Let's take a real-life example. There's a woman named Claire who desperately wanted to reconnect with her ex-boyfriend. She believed he was the one, but after their breakup, he became distant and unresponsive. Every time she thought of him, her inner dialogue was full of frustration. Why doesn't he care? He's so cold toward me. Maybe he's moved on. These thoughts were her script, and he was playing his role accordingly. But Claire decided to flip the narrative. Inspired by Neville's teachings, she began to assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. She visualized her ex calling her, hearing his voice full of warmth and love. In her mind, she replayed a simple yet powerful scene, him saying, "I've missed you so much." She didn't just see it, she felt it. She let that feeling of love and connection flood her entire being. And here's the remarkable part. Within weeks, he reached out. Not only did he call, but he expressed regret for how distant he'd been and admitted he couldn't stop thinking about her. The script had changed, and so did the play. So how can you apply this? Start by getting clear on what you want. This isn't about obsessing over how things will happen, it's about deciding on the end result. What does your ideal relationship with your specific person look like? More importantly, how does it feel? Is it peaceful, loving, joyful? Once you know that, it's time to create a scene in your mind that implies it's already true. Close your eyes and imagine a moment that captures the essence of your desire. Maybe it's a warm hug, a heartfelt conversation, or even a casual moment like sharing a laugh together. Keep it simple and specific. As Neville said, the feeling of the wish fulfilled must be the dominant feeling of your day. Feel the emotions as if they're happening now: love, gratitude, excitement. The more real it feels, the more effective it is. Now here's the part most people overlook: persistence. Manifestation isn't about doing this once and forgetting it. It's about returning to that feeling over and over, especially when doubts creep in. Your outer world may take time to catch up, but don't let that discourage you. Neville emphasized, an assumption, though false, if persisted in, will harden into fact. Let's circle back to the concept of everyone is you pushed out. This isn't just a philosophical idea, it's a practical tool. Start observing how people in your life reflect your inner beliefs. If your specific person seems distant or uninterested, ask yourself, what story am I telling about them? What assumptions am I holding? Then consciously choose to rewrite that story. Instead of they don't care about me, replace it with they adore me, they love being around me. This works because the subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's vividly imagined. By feeding it a new narrative, you're shifting the energy you project, and others will respond accordingly. You're not manipulating anyone, you're aligning with the version of them that matches your desired reality. Still feeling a bit skeptical? Let's address a common question. What if they don't change? What if I'm imagining all this and nothing happens? Here's where trust comes in. Remember, manifestation isn't about forcing, it's about allowing. Trust that your inner work is creating ripple effects, even if you don't see immediate results. Stay consistent, stay faithful, and stay aligned with the end result. Before we wrap up, let me share that bonus tip I promised. This one's a game changer, bridge of incidents. Neville taught that when you assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, the universe orchestrates a series of events to bring your desire to life. These events might not always make sense at first. You might face challenges or unexpected detours. Don't resist them. They're part of the process. Trust the bridge and keep your focus on the end goal. Here's a profound insight to leave you with. Manifesting a specific person isn't about getting them. It's about becoming the version of you that already has them. The love, happiness, and connection you're seeking start within you. As Neville said, change your conception of yourself, and you will automatically change the world in which you live. So tonight, take a moment to sit quietly, close your eyes, and step into the reality you desire. Imagine your specific person exactly as you wish them to be and feel it as though it's happening now. Then, let it go with confidence, knowing that it's already yours. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below and tell me what you're manifesting. If this video resonated with you, please give it a like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and remember to subscribe for more empowering content. Remember, your dream relationship isn't out there waiting for you, it's right here waiting for you to create it. See you in the next video. Happy manifesting.